two more murder happened today, and it's a shame. Trinidad is definitely on fire. Now, the guy you're looking at, he's a prison officer, and he gets supper at the private house. The private house is an establishment. Let me show you what the private house look like. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, something funny happened to me when I'm doing this video. You know, doing the video on these two murders and stuff, it just kinda leaked me over my head that really and truly a lot of what we faced in our country, it's because of how the political people who is supposed to provide the right infrastructure, the right education, the right security for us, they don't. So in this video I kinda run off track and talk about these politicians and how it affect us. And to me, it's like you cannot speak about gangs in the Caribbean and not associate them with politicians, because we know what's going on. Politicians cutting corners, and from one extreme to the next, them a give man gun, them a give gangster them contract, all sort of stuff going on. So I feel the buck stops with the politician them. So sit back and listen to this video and let me know what you think about it. Let's go. Now that's the private house, and it's pretty much is a house that they turn into a bar slash social gathering place where people can come drink, gamble, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty much a meeting place. You know, once you have them kind of social place there, you're gonna have more unscrupulous activity. Now, it is said that this security guard he move more or less like a gangster car. I pay a big gold chain and them thing there, and it is also alleged that it might be a hit from a prisoner, because this guy, a lot of people say he might do some dirty work for the prisoner them, and bringing them contraband and them thing there. And you know how these prison guards is, they quick to rob a prisoner. Believe it or not, you have the business with them or you go behind wall, them quick for tell you things get busted, all sort of things happen. So I am more leaning on the side of that than anything else, because he's not in a gang. He likes to also have a rent-a-car company, you know, neighborhood rent-a-car company. This is down in Arima side of Trinidad. So yeah, the other guy that got killed, he was just there gambling. I think it was the prison guard that was the target, but you know the man them deal with it. From them come, I spray them, I spray everybody, and if you did it, you gotta get picked up. Now, with that said, so there is one thing I noticed within the last 3 years with Trinidad. Trinidad seems like they have the #1 position in the most contract hits. Now Jamaica have a lot of contract hits, but it seems like Trinidad have a lot more. Maybe that's because of the money, you understand, because there's a lot more money floating around. You see yesterday Michael St. John, him get 3 shots, 2 in him shoulder, 1 in him face. The man jump in him car and gone. We see Sharon Sukdeo, we see Django, and the list goes on and on. Me personally, I have a friend who was subject to a contract hit, but thank God him having life. He knows who I'm talking, cause he's in Trinidad. And you know, when we listen to the man's story, it really break my heart. And you know, doing this, some days it get really stressful, because when I have to listen to certain things and then I have to bring it back to the viewers and subscribers, it takes a toll. And for me, I cannot just read the news and repeat it like a talking head. I have to dive in, give my 2 cents, try and make a change. So, you know, if you have people like Shotty Mark, the 6 Dons them, and them kind of people there, we try to put some fire underneath them. But no, I cannot change the world, but I'll tell you this much. I bet you when some gangster hear about countryman, them quiver and shake and say, yo, them no want countryman have for them file. Because if countryman have them file, them know say a problem. And before me go, I want to big up all of the police officer them in the whole Caribbean, Jamaica, Trinidad, St. Vincent, all over Guyana, because let's be real, the police them in the Caribbean region, them have a hell of a job. And I don't want to sound crazy, but the politician them and the leaders them make the police them job even worse. And we are talking about the youth them will get killed at the private house, but when you look at it in retrospective of the situation, well, let me speak for me. I can see there is a definitely coalition with the politician them and the violence, because the politician them set the environment for certain things to happen, whether good or bad. So if them starve the people, them not give them nothing, what them expect people to do? You understand? Now, if the politician them start support one set of man and leave out the rest of the country and the rest of man them, what them expect for them? But the politician them, in a lot of ways, the buck stop with them. And it also stop with us in the community. But hey, when you analyze the problem, you know me I run on and I chat. But when you analyze the problem, you know, okay, the politician leave us for suffer and starve. We start click up now. And we start say, alright, we have to do certain things. So whether man touch the road, they rob and look food. Whether man extort, cause now nothing now go on. So what we have to do now, we have to click up. So now your next thing you know, boom, we join clansman and we start extort the business them. You understand? And it just goes from one extreme to the next. So if the politician them put the right things in place, we wouldn't be where we're there right now. I know I was talking about these two guys who get fling at a private house in Trinidad, and then it turned into a big political speech. But you see me is a nationalist. Country first, Jamaica first, Trinidad first, St. Vincent first. So you see me we dead for my country. Me not dead for no blood clot gangster. Straight up. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.